Here's a couple sewing machines I picked up this morning. There's one on top and there's one inside the cabinet. And I'll show them to you in a minute. But I don't really know what they are, so I'm going to need some help identifying them. And maybe somebody watching this video can help me. They're on this cart. This cart is really handy for unloading the sewing machines when you're by yourself, because it'll jack up even with the tailgate of my pickup, and then I can lower them down and roll them around wherever I want. Anyway, why would I buy sewing machines if I don't know what they are? Well, actually it was a price. They were only $10 each. No, $10 total for both of them, $5 each. So, but then the $30 to go get them in gasoline. So go figure, go figure that economy. Anyway, let's get started. This first one here, I think I know what it is. The only mark I can see it on is Deluxe, and it does have a serial number on there. S2632403. But I don't know what to look up because I don't know what the model is. I think it's a Clone 15, one of the Japanese clones that came out after the Second World War. And this one has a motor on it. So anyway, if somebody can help me identify this one, that'd be fine. But I'm really more interested in the other one. So let me take this off and we'll take a look at the other one. Interesting cabinet, isn't this? You'd hardly know it's a sewing machine. It looks like a piece of furniture. Anyway, here's how it opens up. Kind of like a white sewing machine where you open it up and the machine pops up. And then I think there's no support for this. Here, you don't really want to rip the hinges off, so I think that's why this here door opens up so wide to hold it up. And if you look inside, you'll see it's a treadle machine. And it also came with some accessories. There's this box. I've seen it in some other sewing machines, but I still don't know what they are. Attachments, a few other attachments here. A couple scissors, roll of masking tape. You already need that when you're sewing. Ruler, that's nice. A box of threads. Okay, anyway, let's take a look at the machine. And I'm starting back here. Notice the leather cord goes on the outside of the hand wheel. And here's the bobbin roller. It does have a serial number. $134111. But then again, if you don't know what make it is, I don't see that number's gonna do any good. Okay, it says Sunset Rotary. The E and the T on Sunset aren't real clear, but I'm pretty sure it's Sunset. I don't see what else it could be. Sunsole, it's not an English word. Not that I know of. Anyway, Sunset Rotary. Sewing machine fully guaranteed, whatever that means. And it says use only genuine needles, whatever they are. Patent applied for, so we don't have any patent dates there. Made in USA. Okay, what else? I don't think there's anything interesting in the back, but let's take a look here. It says Sunset, I'm pretty sure that's Sunset. Okay, let's take a look under here. Maybe somebody will recognize this head. That's what it looks like in there. Turns over freely. Might even so. All right, let's take a look at the bottom. And here's your stitch regulator, stitch length regulator. Okay, and to open it, you push this little button here, and there's a little latch under there that opens up. And then you can rock it back. And here's what the bottom looks like. That look familiar to anybody? Okay, well, there she is. Neat machine, isn't it?